It's Wednesday, January 11th. And do we have a crowd tonight? Oh my gosh. And I just looked at my watch and I was like, I have to hurry up and do a video. I have been so busy chatting with new people in town, people that have just moved here recently and so love it here. And I was just catching up with them, and they're knitters and they love the store and they were getting to know all the people at the table. And I think it's every reason that I love having this store and making people connect and having a reason to have a home base for people who love to knit and crochet and create to come and meet here and meet other people of like things that they love to do. And anyway, I'm feeling very full and very grateful for all of my new customers, but also so grateful for all of my long time customers. We are entering our 19th year, which is hard to believe. Anyway, it's a joy and a pleasure every single day. And none of it could take place without my staff, who is amazing. And they are here to support you and to support the store and to be creative. I am, if you can't tell, I'm feeling very full and very grateful and very blessed. So it's been a fun evening. I've met these two new people. I've talked to them for the last hour. And all of a sudden I was like, oh my gosh, I need to go do my video. So I'm not talking to you about anything that I can show you to sell or to buy or to anything else tonight. Hopefully something new will come in tomorrow. I'll have something of more substance to say rather than just me rambling about how grateful I am. But it is because of you and because of the people out there and because of my staff that this is such a joyful place, and I am grateful for it. So anyway, thank you, and I care about you, and I will see you tomorrow night.